Hey everyone, welcome back to RoamTips.com. Today we're diving into a super useful iPhone trick, how to turn on the Preserve Night Mode setting. This is going to make sure your night mode preferences are saved for the next time you snap a photo in low light.
Let's get started.
First things first, open up your Settings app on your iPhone. Got it? Great. Now, scroll down until you see the camera option and tap on it. Alright, next you're looking for Preserve Settings. Click into that. You might need to scroll down a little bit here, but find Night Mode, and toggle that switch to the on position. Boom. That's all there is to it. Now, you can exit out of the Settings app. The next time you open your camera app, your night mode settings will be exactly how you left them the last time you used it. No more having to readjust every single time. So that was a quick and easy one. Remember, this is just my personal experience, and it works for me. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be sure to check them out. Also, don't forget to subscribe to RoamTips.com for more handy tips and tricks. You can find some helpful links and resources in the description below. Thanks for watching.